I'm going to show you a really neat use of this Plus, X-Lite Plus, for a sports application. It is very, very thin, so it's legal in all codes of sports to have something this thin on underneath strapping tape. So if you've got a patient that's had an injury and they're getting back to it, they can get back onto the field or onto the court earlier by just putting a little thermoplastic insert underneath their strapping. I'm going to take a length of this. I'm going to make one for the thumb, say there's perhaps a UCL or a volar plate injury to the thumb, or an RCL injury to the thumb, MCP joint. Squeeze the two ends together. So I've just taken the length of it as from the IP joint to the CMC joint, and literally I'm going to just wrap that around. That takes seconds to make. That's going to be really rigid when it's gone totally hard, and then you can just hold it on using your strapping tape, using an elastic bandage. You can use your normal sports tape, you can use cohesive bandage, whatever you choose. Your patient with that on can go back onto the rugby field, football field, netball court. Really thin, really lightweight, really strong, and super quick and easy. Then you can also use the same material for another sports application, like a metacarpal guard. So you've had a metacarpal fracture. Put the two wet edges together, get the water out of it. The material itself is not hot, it's the water underneath that's hot. And then I'm going to just wrap that around the metacarpal and hold it down the front so the fingers are free to move. And super quick and easy, and very, very functional. So this patient's going to be able to get back onto the field sooner than if they were in a full big splint cast. Again, just using your sports strapping tape to wrap that on. It's not going to affect their function, it's not going to affect their grip, ball handling, but it's protecting it with a really nice firm metacarpal guard in there to brace that fourth and fifth metacarpal up against the third. So just move your wrist, move your fingers, move your thumb, easy.